We all know that the Earth is round. However, there are some marginal exceptions that still believe otherwise. The ancient Greeks had already observed the sphericity of our planet, noting that when a ship is lost on the horizon, the last thing that disappears is the mast. If you like this content, do not forget to subscribe and give it like. Your support is very important to continue sharing more interesting information about our world. Today we will explore the history of the Earth's sphericity and how we can verify it. Aristotle was one of the first to compile empirical evidence on the round form of the Earth. Later, Eratosthenes of Cyrene made a remarkable calculation of the Earth's circumference, estimating it at approximately 40,000 kilometers, demonstrating the advance of knowledge in antiquity. When looking at the night sky, the sphericity of the Earth becomes evident. The position of the stars varies according to latitude. For example, if we look at the sky from Granada or Santander in Spain, we will notice differences at the same time, which supports the idea that the Earth is round. During the Middle Ages, the sphericity of the Earth was also accepted. A book summarizing the work of 14th century school children is preserved in the Merton College Library in Oxford, confirming that the Earth is round. Earth's shadow during eclipses also provides evidence of its shape. The certainty about the round shape of the Earth led Christopher Columbus to propose his journey to the Indies sailing westward. Despite his miscalculations, his conviction that he could reach Asia on the other side of the world was a key point in the history of exploration. The size of the planet and the irregularity of its relief make the Earth's curvature difficult to observe at first sight. Direct observation of the Earth's roundness is complicated, except for astronauts or from a high-altitude aircraft. Commercial planes fly at altitudes between 10 and 12 kilometers. At that height, we can calculate the distance to the horizon using the Pythagoras theorem, considering that the Earth is spherical with a radius of 6,370 kilometers. To 10 kilometers of altitude, the viewing distance is 357 kilometers. If we climb to 12 kilometers, the distance to the horizon increases to 391 kilometers. This shows us that, at a higher height, the curvature of the Earth becomes more noticeable, which can be fascinating for the passengers of an airplane. Mobile phones have a visual field of 70 to 80 degrees. Using geometry, we can estimate the Earth's curvature corresponding to that angle. At 70 degrees, the visible arc on the horizon spans about 4 degrees, which is enough to notice the curvature. In good condition, the curvature of the Earth can be seen by the naked eye from an airplane. Seeing the planet from 10 kilometers high offers an exciting experience, similar to the one that astronauts like Michael Collins have had when observing the Earth from space. Let us reflect on the fragility of our planet. From a plane, we can experience a small part of that feeling that astronauts feel as they see the Earth from space.